In our Windows version of Audio Notetaker, there is an extensive file manager allowing you to copy files from our Sonocent Recorder app or your digital recorder, browse all your audio files, and search through all your Audio Notetaker documents. With all the management tools, we restrict our searches to where we expect to find audio files or Audio Notetaker documents. By default, we search the Audio Notetaker Recordings folder, normally in My Documents, and we search any Dropbox folders. To change the default search locations, go to App menu, System, Options, and open the Audio Files tab. The central box allows you to change where we store files copied from a digital recorder or the Sonocent Recorder app, but changing this also changes the default search location for all your files. To see all the locations we search and add and remove folders from the search, go to App menu, Manage, select Search Folders. The first box displays all the folders we search. If you want to stop searching a particular folder, just untick it. You can retick at a later date if you want to add it back in. The next box allows you to add a folder to the search. Click Add and browse to the folder you want to add. If you added the C drive, then we would search your entire drive for files. We don't recommend this as it can dramatically affect the speed of the search. However, if you cannot find a particular file on your computer, then you may want to add the C drive search, and once you've located your file, remove the search by selecting the folder and clicking Remove. When you use the Search Projects tool, the selection boxes can show your history, allowing you to quickly search for specific files. You can change what is displayed here from the Options menu. Go to App menu, System, Options, and open the History tab. You can clear all entries or remove individual entries. These will then not show in the drop-down boxes when you search for files. They will also not show up when entering tag information for new projects. Every time you open an Audio Notetaker file, we update the history, so opening the file with something you have deleted from the history will add it back in. You can reset all of your history at once. This includes your search folders and history, but also includes other items you may not want to delete, such as the keywords used in your text searches, the last folders you use to save and open files, and your recent documents lists. Open the App menu and go to System, Locate User Data. This shows the 3 files we store user data in. The Preferences file contains details of the default colours, fonts, sizes, etc. that you have set up, as well as details about your colour key templates and other settings. The Log file is where we store any error messages that may occur in Audio Notetaker. You may be asked to email us this file to help diagnose an issue. And the last file is the History file. This is where we store the information about your search history. If you want to return to a clean history file that you would expect at the time of a fresh installation, then you can delete or rename this file. If you are unsure as to whether you want to lose all the information in the file, then just rename it. If at a later time you want to use it again, just change the name back to history.xml and reopen Audio Notetaker.